Kids Wonder Playhouse. You're watching Kids Wonder Playhouse. Sing, sing, let's sing and play. Sing, 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 let us eat today. C for zebra, black and white, stripes on its body, such a sight. C for zoo with animals to see, from lions or monkeys, wild and free. C, 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 let's sing and play. C, 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 learn the C today. C for zip on your coat or bag, zipping up quickly, no need to lag. C for zipper, sliding up and down, fixing your jacket, no more frown. C, 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 let's sing and play. C, 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 learn the C today. Z is for zigzag. Z for zigzag, going left and right, moving in patterns, quite a sight. C for zero, none at all, counting down, it's the end of the call. C, 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 let's sing and play. C, 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 learn the C today. Bye-bye! If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.